So the first step is to simply open up the Roblox app and then simply tap on More. Now, once you get here, you're gonna have to scroll down and tap on Settings and then simply tap on Security. Once you get here, you're gonna have to simply scroll down, and as you can see, I have enabled the Authenticator app as my two-step verification process. So we just have to simply tap and disable it and then simply confirm. Now, once we do that, basically what we're gonna have to do is simply enter the 6-digit code that we have generated on the Authenticator app. Now, in case you used the email two-step verification, you're gonna receive the code on your email, but in my case, I have to open up the app. So simply open the app that you're using, and as you can see, we have our code here. So we just have to copy this code and paste it in the Roblox app. So after that, simply tap on verify, and basically that's all you have to do in order to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.